3 easy ways to store peppers and prevent waste. Hot pepper snowflake. Hey, everyone. Do you ever buy peppers only to watch them go bad before you can use them all? Hot pepper, don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm sharing 3 simple and effective ways to store peppers and prevent waste. Whether you want to keep them fresh, freeze them, or even dry them, I'll show you how to make the most out of every pepper. Let's get started. Refrigeration for short-term storage. First up, the easiest way. Refrigeration. If you're planning to use your peppers within a week or 2, store them in the crisper drawer of your fridge. Keep them dry, don't wash them before storing, as moisture can speed up spoilage. Use a breathable produce bag or wrap them in a paper towel to keep them fresh longer. This method works best for whole, uncut peppers, and it's great for short-term use. Freezing for long-term storage. Next, let's talk about freezing. This is perfect for when you've bought a big batch or want to save peppers for future recipes. Wash and dry your peppers thoroughly. Slice them into strips, dice them, or leave them whole, whatever works for you. Lay them on a tray to freeze individually. This prevents them from clumping together. Once frozen, transfer them to an airtight freezer bag and label it with the date. Frozen peppers can last up to 6 months and are perfect for soups, stir-fries, or sauces. No need to thaw, just toss them straight into your dish. Drying or dehydrating peppers. For a long-term and flavorful option, try drying or dehydrating your peppers.
Here's how.
Slice the peppers thinly and remove the seeds if you prefer. Use a food dehydrator or air dry them in a warm, sunny spot. Once fully dried, store them in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. Dried peppers last for 6 to 12 months and are super versatile. You can rehydrate them in water for cooking or grind them into powder for homemade seasoning. Hot pepper. So there you have it, 3 easy ways to store your peppers and cut down on food waste. Refrigerate for short-term freshness. Freeze for long-term convenience. Dry or dehydrate for versatile seasoning. Which method are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more kitchen tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Subscribe for more glowing star.